so good morning students. So for today we will be having Clubhouse sandwich and open face sandwich on a French bread. Okay, so here are the ingredients. So here are your ingredients for your open face sandwich. So you have some breads, some soft butter, a ham, and it's already cooked. Some of your lettuce, radish, tomato, and mayonnaise. And pepper for a little bit of spice for that. And we will be doing a sunny side up of your egg. Okay, so for your open face sandwich, you will be using a French bread. So these are some of the breads that was left during our previous laboratories. Okay, so you just need to prepare a slice of your French bread. Okay, so you can make at least 3 to 4 slices of those of this for your bread. Okay, and you can slice it. Okay, same with this one. So you will be having a bigger size for your bread. Okay, so slanting it, having this cut. Okay, and that will be nice for your open face. Okay. Okay, now for your bread, you can brush it with your butter. Okay, you can use either melted butter or softened butter. Okay, so that your bread, when being baked, okay, or being placed in the oven, it won't dry out, and you will be having the creaminess coming from your butter. Okay, you just brush this bread, and we'll be placing it inside the oven until it has a very nice crisp. Just a little bit. Okay, and then okay, so here are your open face sandwich. You can top it with sunny side up or even a medium doneness of your egg. Okay. So here are your ingredients for your Clubhouse. Okay, so we have a chicken breast, bacon, lettuce, some of your mayonnaise, softened butter, also some tomatoes, slices of tomatoes, salt and pepper. Okay, and you can use some of the herbs and spices for your chicken. And club sandwich won't be completed also without the bread. Okay, so for this one, you just need to brush your bread with a little bit of butter, so that your bread, okay, won't be toasted all the way through, because this butter will prevent your bread from drying out. so that later on you will be having a little bit of crispiness on the other side of your bread, and on the inside of your sandwich that will be somehow a little bit moist. Okay, so you need to toast this one for at least around 8 to 10 minutes inside the oven or using your salamander. Okay, so for your chicken breast, okay, if you have somehow a little bit of large chicken breast, you can just slice it up into two. Okay, so just slice it sideways. Okay, or almost similar to a fillet. Okay, so that it will fit into your sandwich later on. Okay, just need to season with a little bit of salt. Pepper. If you have some of your herbs and spices, you can do so. This is thyme. Okay. So just in case you have some of seasonings there with you, you can add some of this. Also on the other side. Okay, so for your chicken, you can cook it using your frying pan, adding some oil. Okay. So make sure your pan is hot enough before you add your oil. So you can use high heat for this. And you want to have a very nice sear on your chicken. Okay. Then afterwards, searing both sides until you have that very nice color coming from your chicken. So just wait for it to reach its smoking point. Just a little bit of oil. We already have our cooked chicken breast. That's done. Okay, so for this one, you can just slice your chicken. Okay, so you will know also it's done on the inside. Okay, so that's how it should look like. Be moist and juicy in the inside. Okay, so for this one, you just trim down your sides of your bread so that it will be easier for you when you assemble. You don't need to slice it up later on. Okay, you just remove the sides of your bread. Just trim down the side, so no browning of your bread to be seen when you are presenting your sandwich. mayonnaise into your sandwich or bread. Add some of your lettuce. Your chicken. Then you can add in your tomato or bacon first. Will do. Some slices of those bacon. Okay. So last part, assemble. Then you get some of your toothpick. So you need to put it here. If you have some of your toothpick with twirl, okay, the one with the plastic on top, so that you will notice it, okay, or the customer will be able to see your toothpick. So you won't be having any gas complaint. So this toothpick will help you when you are slicing down your bread, but you need to remove it later on. So slice first. Okay. Slice it in half. Very gentle. Let the knife do the work. So your bread will not be ruined. Okay. And on the other side.